Welcome to your new home in Pristine Bay.
Welcome to this beautiful one-story, 3-bed, 3-bath townhome in the luxurious community of Pristine Bay, which is our only 18-hole golf course with full clubhouse. It's also next to a newly revamped beach club with pickleball, tennis, all massive pools, all of the amazing things, as well as 3 different restaurants. You can see with this house, it is nice, open, very luxurious floor plan. The island is as big as some of the bedrooms that I see in Roatan. It is actually 2 full slabs of granite. It's absolutely beautiful. Most of the furnishings do come with the house. One of my favorite features of that kitchen is that beautiful teal backsplash. I think it gives it such a nice touch of class, a nice bit of color away from just all of the white that you see. But everything you see is crisp, clean. I love how they did the ceilings. It makes it so bright, and you cannot tell from the photo, well, from the outdoor photos, yes you can. It was so rainy the day that I came and shot some of the video, some of the photos, but you couldn't, it was still so bright in that house. So if you're someone that loves the bright, or the kind of the bright island vibe, this is a beautiful house for you. We didn't even have the lights on for a lot of the shoots. It's just really nice, bright, and vibrant. And on a sunny day, it would be absolutely amazing. The views are impeccable, overlooking your infinity edge pool. You have a nice, lush garden. We did not get out there because it was pouring down rain, but it overlooks the golf course, and then you get to see the beautiful Caribbean. And what I really like, one of the many things that I like about this unit, is you do have, every bedroom does have a bathroom, and these are on the larger side, so they are, I like to call it American size bathrooms and floor plan, just because everything is larger. And so if you have guests, or if you have 3 people living there, everybody does get their own private space. And you can kind of tell you're on the top side of Pristine Bay, so you get those wonderful views, wonderful breezes also, and which is, well, you can see from these photos, it's beautiful. I did take this drone footage a couple months prior, so that's why everything looks, it's a lot greener now, but I could not fly the drone in the rain. But this is what your view would be every single day. It's just, it's such a beautiful home. It's listed at $579,000. It is over 1,600 square feet. There is an HOA because you are in Pristine Bay, which is about $4,700 a year. That comes with all of the basic maintenance that you do see. The homes were built in 2013, and it is a townhome, but it does not feel like a townhome because it's 1 story, nice, big, open. I really like the townhomes in this community because they don't feel like townhomes. You're not just stairs over stairs over stairs. It's nice, big. It feels like a home, but you do have lower maintenance than you would with a single family home. You can't see your neighbors with how it was laid out, which I think is, I absolutely love. But this kitchen is to die for. If you want more information, call me today. Thanks so much. See you soon.